here is that bolt I was telling you about. So I was thinking that the head was going to be right here. It sure wasn't. All the way down here, which made it so much simpler. I could get a cheater bar, I could get the socket on there, get the cheater bar on there, broke it free, and then I just undid this with my hands. So I still have this bottom one, but everything is loose now. You can't see because of my arm, but everything is loose now. So we're going to take out this bottom one, which is already loose, and then we're going to take the top connector, and that should come out. And hopefully it'll just come out right through here without having to take out this oil filter. We'll see. By the way, I guess you figured out we did not need to take out the expansion tank. So we can put that in too. But live and learn. All right, we are out. This bottom bolt was one click at a time. So frustrating. But it came out and we did not have to remove the oil filter. So everything is still there. I just moved this out of the way to get up there, and you can see the hole where it's going to go. Alright, so here is the other bolt. This is the other bolt. I need to put some anti-seize this thing. But this bolt, the bottom bolt, will come through here and thread into the starter housing, and then this guy will come up. Let me see if I can get a couple threads started. You can see how long that bolt is up there, which was really fantastic. Good job, Honda. Can't believe an automobile company actually did something like that. It was for their own people, but man, that made a big difference. All right, so we'll take a break, then we'll put the other one in. So let's compare apples to apples. Make sure everything is the same. It looks as though they are the same. No real problem with the teeth, it looks like. And there's no shims or anything. So we're just going to mount this guy back and really hope for the best. Look at the difference in the housing. So this guy cast versus this guy here. A little bit of machining, but we're going to fit that guy in there. And then I hope these threads are good. We'll put the bolt, we'll thread it in there before installation just to make sure everything goes. But again, O'Reilly tested it at their store, said it's good, so we should be in good shape. And we didn't need these guys at all.